So you can do this right on your study sheet. You can find any space in your booklet. If it's blank, I mean, chances are we're not going to use it. But I'm just going to say solving by graphing essentially solving for roots. You know what roots are, right? What do you give a little tiny baby root? What does a baby root eat? Quadratic formula. Stop it. Okay. So basically, I don't know if this is going to work, but 3x squared minus 2x plus 5 is equal to negative 5x plus 2. Let's just put it this way. You put this into y1. You put this into y2. Adjust window until you see intersections. Intersection or intersections, right? It could be only once. Okay? Then you go second, trace, intersect, and make sure you state the number, the x value, but make sure that you state 0 at the end. Okay? Always 0. Make sure you don't get that wrong, because you'll lose a mark if you put anything other than 0 at the end. Because if you use that method that I'm suggesting, you will get a y value that is not 0. So you want to omit, you want to ignore the the y value, and just state it like that. Okay. I actually want to try this real quick. I don't know, I just made this up. It doesn't matter if it works or not, technically, but I will quickly verify. So I'm going to do a standard zoom 6. There it is. And then I'm going to try my y2. I'm going to enter this, 5x plus 2. That's a linear. It doesn't have x squared. Oh, it never crosses. See that? They never cross. So I'm going to do a little cheat here, okay? How do I bring this parabola? This is actually a review for the test. How do I bring this parabola down a little bit? What can I change here to bring the whole thing down?
Like make the plus 5 to a plus 1.
Decrease this one. Make it plus 1. I'll try it. Because I will ask you things like that. Like, what can you do? There you go. Now it crosses it. So it's a cheat sheet anyway, so I can cheat on it. Right? There you go. Okay. Can you see that? It's a little. So I will just say zoom fit doesn't always work, but I'm going to try it. Technically, you were good there. Look at what zoom fit does. If zoom fit acts up on you, it throws a fit. That's probably why it's called zoom fit. You can use zoom in. I've seen some of you use zoom in. And there you can see it actually crossing twice. So you got to go second, trace 5. You don't worry about anything else, guys. If you can see the intersections, you're good. I will state that here. This is negative 1.260. And I'll do one more. There we go. 0.260. Okay? Those are actually the roots of this scenario. Question, could you use the quadratic formula to solve this? Yes, you should be saying yes, absolutely. What do you need to do to use the quadratic formula? You need to clean this up. You need to bring everything over to this side until you're left with just A, B, and C. And then you plug it in, then you plug it into the quadratic formula, which you should also have on your study sheet. Okay. All right. I'm done.